Hi guys, my name is Sergio Gonzalez. I study environmental engineers at the University UNIAD, and the following infographic I will tell you about my trip to Líbano. These are the pictures I take during my vacations. My brothers and I in my pool. Um, Lunch at my friend's farm with my childhood friends in I might enjoy ice cream. Last month I went to Líbano, Tolima to vacations. Stayed there for days and went with my girlfriend Sophia. I liked it because there were many old friends of my childhood. For example, Camilo with whom I playing ball in the park, Sarah, who was very funny, and Hernan, my cousin. It who made me long. I went to my uncle's farm. We ate chicken and beer. We had a great times. My girlfriends and I had a great times, and we went to come back twice more. My photographies, the vacations, and photography, my Lebanon. Goodbye. Hi guys. Goodbye guys.